beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an inexpensive workout clothing haul. I have the clothes right here on this rack. I'm only going to be trying five bottoms and maybe a couple of tops, and that's about it, because most of the time people go to the gym at least 3 to 5 days a week. You're really not supposed to go every day because you're supposed to give your body time to heal, make muscle, lose fat and all that kind of stuff. So I'm only going to be doing about 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Everything on this rack is very inexpensive. That's why, as you can see, I left the tags on them so you can see how much everything costs. What else do I have to tell you guys? Yeah, working out. I want to work out because well, it's good to work out. It's good to be healthy and it's good to be in shape, but I want to work out because I just had a baby about 5 months ago. I think my body, my mind, everything is ready to work out now. Yeah, the snapback for me needs to be real because I have gained, I believe, 50 pounds more between my 2 kids. They're between 50 and 80 pounds over. So I do want to lose the weight for health reasons, and also because I want to get everything back in place like how it was before. Maybe not the same amount of pounds, so to speak, but more so getting back healthy and getting my body back in shape. I want you mothers to know that are out there that you should just not be so hard on yourself. Take it easy on yourself. Take it easy on your body, because it took you 9 months to gain that weight. I don't know how many children you guys may have, but it took you each time you had a child or children. Some people had multiples, twins and stuff, but it took you an amount of time to gain that weight. So don't forget, give yourself at least that amount of time to lose that weight, or that amount of time to get in whatever shape that you would like to get into. Please don't be hard on yourself. Life is big. You just brought life into this world. So yeah, take care of yourself so that you can take care of that life. Be happy with yourself. Like, the body changes, so be happy with yourself. Know that because the body already changed, it can change again. You can work it out. Muscles, body, fat, it's all flexible. Drink water. Say your prayers. Ask God even like the shape that you want to have. Like I would really do that, you guys. I used to do that. Like, Lord, all right, Lord, I'm about to have this baby. Okay, can you give me this? Can you take away this? Can you, suck that in? Can you bring that out? Like, just that type of thing. Ask God, like he really truly answers prayers. So let that be even the first thing you do, even before you start working out. He knows the desires of our hearts, but also don't be afraid to tell him. Use your mouth, tell him what you want. And yeah, be blessed, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this clothing haul. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe even now. Love you guys. Bye. Let me go ahead and start with telling you guys the prices first, and then we can move on. I can show you guys everything. The first 2 tops right here are $9.99. Y'all see that? Okay, yeah, $9.99. I'm trying to get it to focus. Okay, well, they're $9.99. Normally, when I work out, I honestly don't really look for workout shirts. I usually wear spaghetti straps. That's just what's more comfortable for me, and I have spaghetti straps for days. So I either pick a normal black one or a normal white one, or I get one that matches one of the bottoms that I'm wearing, or that matches my shoes. The next pair of pants right here are these gray ones with the pink bottoms. Pink and pink. I think it's looking like orange on the screen, but it's actually like a blush pink and then more of a hot pink. And these pants were $12.99. I don't know why I can't get these to focus. Okay, $12.99. And I got this from your local Burlington Coat Factory. You guys, don't sleep on these local stores in your area, because they have really good stuff, and a lot of times they have a lot of deals. You can even go to the workout section, I know, in TJ Maxx, and they're always doing some kind of sale. So you can get something on sale every single day when you go. You can get some kind of workout clothing on sale. So make sure you don't sleep on them. Make sure you check them out. These ones, like I said, were $12.99. My next pair of pants are, these are one of my favorites, you guys. This material is so good and it's so high quality. Let me see the brand name. 90 Degrees by Reflex. All their stuff is really good, like that's no lie. These ones I got on sale, like I told you guys, at local TJ Maxx for $13. My next pants are these Puma pants. You know, you want to wear a little bit of brand. These, you guys, I can't find the price. I found the original price, which in stores, or you know, if you look online, they're $35. But I believe I got these ones for I think these were on sale for $10 at TJ Maxx, you guys. I'm pretty sure they're on sale for $10 at TJ Maxx, and they just have the Puma print right on the leg. So these are really cute, and they're pink, you guys. I absolutely love pink workout clothes. I love pink clothes, you guys. It's so cute. So when I go to the gym, a lot of times I'm not growing the pink stuff, and that's these. These are the Puma pants. I got these ones. They're multicolored. I like them. Blue, white, black, and red. These are cute. I like colorful. I'm sorry, you guys. That's my Chihuahua at the door. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Sorry about that. Back to what I was saying. These are my colorful pants. I love having colorful pants, not just pink, but I do like multicolored pants. I like to have color going on. It makes me feel good, you guys. These pants cost $7.99 at my local TJ Maxx, and they're so cute. Aren't these cute, you guys? And then I have, last but not least, because I told you guys I'll be showing you guys 5 pairs. These are my last pair. These are gray, and they have this detailing at the bottom. Isn't that cute? And these were, I got them from Burlington Coat Factory for $9.99. Yeah, so these are super. Are this 9 or 6? Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, $9.99. I think they're super cute. They're the black and white. You can never go wrong with black and white print. They're cute. They match any and everything. You guys, I love everything I buy. I have different colors. They match all different kind of things, and I have color. I always feel like it's good to put color in your outfits. So if I do wear like a black and white bottom, I'll wear probably like a bright colored spaghetti strap, or you know, even like this purple spaghetti strap or something like that. Or I would wear like a bright color bottom and like a black spaghetti strap, something like that. But yeah, these are all inexpensive. You guys saw the prices for yourselves, and now let's jump right into me wearing them. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. Okay, the gray shirt you're gonna see me wearing is a size extra small, and the purple shirt is a size small. As far as all of 5 of the bottoms, they're all size mediums. Hope you guys enjoy it.
It's your boy Easy. Yeah. Are you ready? If you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby.
Name it, baby.
Hey, hey. Tiny. Why say?
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. Nah. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on.
Betty on this. I've been thinking about you all night long. Yeah. In the morning when I wake up, you in my mind. I've been thinking about you.
Yeah, she over.
I want to. But then, I do. But then, I do it. But then,
Shama she badu, omo tuni kakai yo. He can go and confound it. Let's go. And I will have a good. That's how we know.